Oh, you see him? He's not dead. He's still alive. He's still alive, but there's a certain way you gotta get him. You see him? You gotta get him. You can go ahead and grab him.
Oh,
you can go ahead and scoop him right up. All right? Oh. You can scoop him right up. All right? Scoop him right up.
I got him.
Huh?
Yeah, but mostly you don't want to do that.
You don't want to do that?
No, you have to flip it. Just flip it over.
You scoop him right up, baby. You scoop him right up, baby. Huh? Look at that, baby. Look, there's a real crab right there. Real crab. Scoop him right up, baby. You see that?
Okay. Just flip it
All
over.
Right.
Okay, let me do it.
Hold on.